Derek Phillips to come forward. And he is speaking on 8 or 7. They're both very similar.
Thank you, Commissioner and judges. Just want to say it's my intention and to be completely respectful of this court today. On March 28th, 2023, I was arrested unlawfully for speaking words, and I've always been taught that speech is not a crime. I was arrested with my best friend, Cody Voss, which, by the way, last week his arrest for failed ID was dismissed by the Smith County DA's office, thus showing that I was correct about the deputy who was unlawfully arresting him. On the 28th, March 28th, 2023, the Smith County Sheriff's Office entered my home without a warrant. This was one of many times that they've done this. This is a clear violation of my constitutional rights, and yet a Smith County judge still ordered me to spend 30 days in jail. While I was in jail, the Smith County Sheriff advised me that I would not be allowed the 3-for-1 day rate like everyone else has been given, but instead I would be given the 1-for-3 day rate. When I asked why this was, I've just been completely respectful. Yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, always following the rules. And I asked why are they doing this to me? The sheriff said, "Oh, by the way, weekends don't count. That's just considered free time." I've never heard of anyone spending time in jail that doesn't go towards their credit. Shocked as this may be, we're being allowed this to happen to my family. I firmly believe it's because of two things. Number one, a political hit job against my father, who's the commissioner, Terry Phillips. He's not here today. To have him removed as his seat, as he has his seat, as today is the election day for the runoff voting, as well as as well as because of a podcast that was encouraged by Commissioner John Moore. Thank you, sir. I really do appreciate that. Was started called Texas Police Audits that we've aired on Thursdays at 3 p.m. on Rumble. It's focusing on the horrific crimes committed by the Smith County Sheriff's Office. It's no surprise that the Phillips family has identified undeniable corruption on every single level in every department of the Smith County Sheriff's Office. Because of this, my family and I have been charged with 20 frivolous crimes that were falsified government documents with the intent to falsely imprison living men. On more than one occasion, I have witnessed deputies lie under the color of law and get away with it. It's my prayer today that you do the right thing, and Smith County justice is not justice at all, when you have the criminals in powerful positions who decide who gets justice and who does not. I don't say this to make anyone believe that I'm special, but both of my parents are employees of Smith County, and I too am an ex-employee as well. I was a Smith County deputy on patrol, a canine handler, and if this can happen to my family, then it can 100% happen to you. The last thing I'd like to say is there's an audio book called The Law, and I just wanted to quote it with the last sentence. It says, "The law becomes a weapon of every kind of greed. Instead of checking crime, the law itself is guilty of the evils it's supposed to be punished, or it's supposed to punish." Thank you so much, Commissioners. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Ms.